Hey everyone, just wanted to go over something that one of my clients is currently experiencing. I went to see her in the jail, and this individual has been there for a little over 90 days and her case has not been indicted yet. And this may happen for any number of reasons, right? Like maybe there's substances that are at a lab that's waiting to be tested before they actually present the case to a grand jury, or something along those lines, or some delay in the case from being indicted. Now that doesn't mean that the case goes away after 90 days, but if you are in custody and the case has not been indicted and you've not been able to bond out, or the bond's too high or whatever, there is a provision in the code that says in that instance you may be entitled to a PR bond, which is personal recognizance. You get out without having to pay money. Now, a couple of things. One, if you got a PR bond, you are absolutely going to have bond conditions that you have to comply with. So that means like testing or supervision or reporting in or whatever the case may be. Most times on like drug cases, it's going to be some kind of ankle monitor, what we call a SCRAM unit. Basically, it's just continuously testing your system for drugs or alcohol or whatever. And two, that you may not be entitled to it depending on if your county is handing out PR bonds for certain cases regarding like the governor's order that restricts those from being given out. Even though that was over COVID and that was a couple years ago, it still is something that we're having to deal with. So you just have to check in your local community, your local county, if this is something that pertains to you. Thanks.